Namaste, and welcome to your AI Barber Trademark Daily Forecast for Monday, June 23rd, 2025. Here at Ganesha Speaks, we blend astrology, numerology, and practical advice to help you make the most of your day. Today's energies combine Mercury's intellect and the Moon's intuition, perfect for smart decisions and heartfelt connections. Let's dive in and see what this Monday has in store for you. Today, the cosmos shines brightest on Cancer, Capricorn, and Sagittarius. Cancer, your intuition is at its peak. Use it to resolve conflicts and strengthen bonds at home. Professionally, trust your gut and let your empathy guide you. Special message: emotional clarity is your guide. Lucky color sea green. Focus time 7-9 p.m. Capricorn, your hard work pays off. Push for that promotion or close that deal. Balance ambition with a gesture of appreciation at home. Special message: persistence unlocks success. Lucky color royal blue. Focus time 10 a.m. 12 p.m. Sagittarius, embrace new experiences. Learn, travel, or explore. Your optimism attracts opportunities and deepens connections. Special message: optimism is your compass. Lucky color saffron. Focus time 2-4 p.m. If your sign isn't in the spotlight, channel these energies by connecting with these signs or adopting their positive traits. The universe's gifts are for everyone. Tap into today's vibrant energy, shine in your own way, and let the cosmic spotlight inspire your actions. Remember, every sign can benefit from today's unique blend of intuition, ambition, and adventure. Make the most of it. Happy birthday to everyone born on June 23rd. As a Cancer with Mercury's influence, you blend intuition and intellect, making you a caring, adaptable communicator. This year's theme: build with heart and mind. Start that project, deepen relationships, and lead with compassion. Affirmation: I trust my intuition and honor my intellect. I build my dreams on love, wisdom, and courage. Focus on meaningful growth, not superficial connections. Embrace your rare gift of leading with both compassion and clarity. Wishing you a year of joy, growth, and success. Here's your quick weather check for Monday, June 23rd. North India, hot, humid, with possible afternoon storms. Stay hydrated and wear light clothes. South India, monsoon rains, pleasant temps. Carry rain gear and expect traffic delays. East India, cloudy, rainy, humid. Keep an umbrella handy and plan for quick weather changes. Across the country, be prepared for shifting conditions. Daily wellness tip: practice mindful hydration. Sip water slowly, savor the coolness, and let it refresh your mind and body. Try infusing your water with cucumber and mint for a calming boost. This mindful act keeps you hydrated and offers a mini meditation break. Stay cool, stay mindful, and enjoy your Monday. Today's cosmic weather is shaped by the Sun, Moon, Mercury in Cancer, and Mars in Taurus. Emotional intuition is strong. Connect with loved ones and have heartfelt conversations. Mercury in Cancer softens communication. Listen with empathy but balance emotion with clarity. Mars in Taurus grounds you take steady, practical steps toward your goals. Avoid impulsive moves. Focus on long-term stability. Face north for important work. This direction boosts clear thinking. Avoid starting new ventures during Rahu Kal 7:39 a.m. Use that time for routine tasks or reflection. Align your actions with today's energies for a productive, harmonious day. Let the cosmic tides guide you to success. To make the most of today, follow these simple do's and don'ts. Do connect with family, strengthen bonds, and share heartfelt moments. Do trust your intuition. Your gut is sharp today. Do focus on practical, long-term goals. Steady effort pays off. Don't take things personally. Emotions run high, but stay centered. Don't rush decisions. Think things through before committing. Don't neglect your well-being. Listen to your body's needs. Approach challenges with empathy and patience. Use these tips as a flexible guide, not rigid rules. Mindful choices today set the tone for a successful week. Embrace nurturing activities and trust your inner wisdom. Turn challenges into opportunities for growth. Even on positive days, challenges can arise. If you're struggling, remember, you're not alone, and every challenge is a chance to grow. Allow yourself to feel and heal. Be gentle and patient with yourself. Today's mantra: I am safe, I am strong, and this too shall pass. Repeat it, breathe deeply and let it anchor you. Seek comfort from loved ones or take time to rest. Trust in your strength and the promise of brighter days ahead. You are more powerful than you know.